Hey everyone, so this is part second of the front-end interview series. So today we are going to discuss very basic but very important problems. So first is we have to write a function to reverse a string, and second we have to write a function to check if the string is palindrome or not. So let's proceed with the first problem to reverse a string, right? So first of all, I'll write a function const reverse, which is going to be an arrow function, and it is going to take a string, or we can write str. And now this function should this function should actually return a value which is reverse of this particular value, right? So I'll just const val is equal to, I'll just write let val is equal to this string, and I will return val here. And also I'll do one thing, I'll just simply console the value of console dot log, and I'm going to write reverse, and reverse I'll put the value str1, right? So as you can see, nothing else is getting printed. I'll just put 1 here, and 1 is getting printed, right? 2, 3, 4, and this is getting printed. That means the function is working fine. So first of all, let's do one thing. We have to step by step do it, right? So first of all, we can break the string and convert into an array, right? So I'll write let val is equal to str dot uh, split, right? And if we split it, you can see on the empty spaces or like blank, we will get an array of, if you see, an array of the letters of the string, right? So now we have already converted this to an array. Now you know how to reverse an array, right? So we simply write dot reverse, simply reverse. Now you can see it's already reversed the array, but the string is still not reversed, right? So what we have to do is we again have to write a join, and join on basis of what? On blank spaces again. And if you see, the whole string is reversed, right? Again, if you do the same thing and write it back, it will actually convert it to the original string. And if I write join, and you can see, doing so many operations, the string is back into the first one, right? So I'll just put it back and put where the solution is. So join, and the string is done, right? So we have successfully done the question number one. Now I'll just simply uh, like comment this out, and let's write the second function, which is going to be a check to see whether the string is a palindrome or not. So I'll write a function which is palindrome, which is again going to accept a string, and which is again going to return a val, right? And what is val? I'll write let val is equal to again empty string, right? So palindrome, and I'll again console.log is palindrome, and I'll write str2 this time. So if you can see, a b, now what is a palindrome number or a string or whatever? So the sequence is similar if you, whether you read it from the first, and or either you read it from the last. For example, a b c d c b a b c d c b a. That means this is actually a palindrome, but we have to write a function which checks whether the uh, string is palindrome or not. So actually the reverse of the string should be equal to the actual string. So right. So simply again we can do the same thing. We can just keep this function as it is, and I see this time I'll write uh, reversed is equal to uh, reverse of what? The string that we have entered. And here I'll simply return, and here we'll check, or we can simply return the value, that is, we'll check if string triple equals to reversed. If it is, then now you know what we did, right? We reversed the string using this function, and then we checked if this string that we are passing, that is str2, is actually equal to the reversed string, which is true. That means it is giving us true value. And if I simply added 1 here, it will automatically change it to false. But if I put 1 here as well, it will give true, because now again 1 is here as well. And if I remove the 1 from the last, you can see it is giving us false values, right? So we have successfully done two problems that you can be asked in a JavaScript interview, or maybe you are interviewing, getting interviewed for React, but they are giving you a JavaScript problem or a very basic DSA problem, right? So we have successfully done how to reverse a string and how to check if the string is palindrome or not, right? So if you found this video helpful, do subscribe to the channel and follow and subscribe for more.